Once upon a time, in a house into the trees, lived a mother goat with her 7 kids. "Well, my children, I'll go to find food. You stay here, play, and be good. But beware of the wolf. If he hits the door, he'll come to eat you and you'll have nowhere to go. He'll try to trick you pretending my voice, but you know mine, so he has no choice. And if you're not sure if it's me, check under the door and look at his feet. If they're white, of course it is me." "Let me in, children, I'm here for you. Your mother has something for all of you."
Go away, wolf. We heard your voice, and we know our mother's sweet voice.
"Let me in, children, I'm here for you. Your mother has something for all of you."
It's our mother. She is back. Look, fools, her feet aren't black.
"Let me in, children, I'm here for you. Your mother has something for all of you."
It's her. Come on, let's open the door.
"Well, well, who's here, little goat?" "No, no, where are my kids?"
Mom, the wolf ate them and hid in the trees.
"Oh dear, you are all safe. Let's fill with rocks all of his belly." "Oh, oh, my belly's so heavy. I want to drink water. I'm so thirsty." Oh, oh, oh. That was the story of the kids and the goat. So be aware, kids, of the big bad wolf.